guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I just got finished making some chicken tikka masala. So the best thing to pair with that is some garlic naan. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my garlic naan. So let's cook. Okay guys, so here I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can make self-rising flour by adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour to 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So to this, I'm just gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna mix that up. And next I'm going to add in 1 cup of yogurt. And you want to mix this in. Now you're looking for a soft dough, so if you need to add more yogurt, you can feel free to do that. Or if you put too much yogurt, just add a little bit of flour in to balance things out. But you just want to make sure that you have a soft dough when you're finished. Now that this is starting to come together, I'm just going to pour this out on my table. Some people like to knead inside of the bowl, but for me, I like to knead on the table. It just gives me more working space. And the dough may be sticky, but that's okay, because the more you knead it, the more it'll become less sticky. So I'm going to continue to knead my dough, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all done. Okay guys, so I'm finished rolling my dough out, and as you can see, our dough is really soft. I have some spring back when you push. So now what you want to do, you want to put it back in that bowl and just cover it like this for about 10 minutes, just to let it rest. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and take our naan out. And you can see this is a really soft dough. So I'm just going to divide this. Now I'm going to take these pieces and put them back inside of my bowl and cover them up. So now you want to take one of those pieces and you want to make it into a ball like that. So you're looking for an oval shape. And now you're just going to roll this out like this. And you don't want your pieces to be too thin, and you don't want them to be too thick. So you're going for about 1/4 of an inch thickness. Like that. So now I'm just going to take some of that garlic, and I'm going to spread it on my naan like this. And then I'm going to take some of that cilantro or coriander leaf, and I'm going to put it on top like that as well. Now I'm just going to roll that in like this. Just really making sure that I'm getting it really embedded inside of that naan. And I'm going to just set this off to the side. I'm going to continue making my naan, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm finished. Okay, so I finished making all my naan. So I'm going to go ahead and cook these up. Okay guys, so I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of my pan. And I'm just gonna swirl it around a little bit in my pan. Now I'm gonna go in with my naan. And I like to start with the garlic side up, just to start to heat the bottom and start to release some of the, just to heat the bottom so that the garlic can start to warm up and start to infuse that bread. And you can see my bubbles are starting to form. That's what you're looking for. And you see that nice color at the bottom, and you can really smell that garlic really infusing that bread. Now you're gonna let this cook again until it gets a nice brown color like this on the other side. Okay guys, so we have that nice color on this side like that. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. You can really see how soft this bread is. I'm just gonna continue to cook up the rest of my naan, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all finished. Okay, so our naan is finished cooking. So the only thing left to do is just take some of that garlic and butter and cilantro and just brush it over top like this. And here's the finished product, guys. That's how I make my garlic naan. You see it's nice and soft. You can bend it. And chewy and delicious, guys. So the only thing you need to do, guys, is pull a piece of that delicious naan and grab up some of that chicken tikka masala and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.